What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. We have more great information for you guys today. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So guys, we're getting a lot of new subscribers to the channel, and not everybody knows every single in and out of the SoFi stock, okay? We're still getting a lot of questions on, is SoFi just a bank? What separates them from the legacy competition? And I completely understand all of that. But we got some more, positive news for you today. We're going to be covering in today's video. But guys, I also want to talk about GALILEO and Technisys, okay? For anybody new, these are two companies that SoFi acquired over the past, 3 to 4 years, okay? GALILEO, I believe, was valued at 1.2 billion, and then the Technisys deal was valued at about 1.1 billion. But when we did acquire these companies, the market was running pretty hot. So it looks like SoFi did pay, a pretty premium, a little bit of an overvaluation at the time that we acquired those companies, okay? So yes, you did get diluted as a shareholder, but the reason why SoFi acquired these two companies is to build a tech stack for these legacy, banks, with outdated, core technologies. And we're trying to get them on, new modern tech stacks so that these companies can save more money. And in return, those customers will have better satisfaction and more people will continue to sign up with the tech platform that SoFi offers. So right now, guys, that platform is about 17% of overall revenue, okay? That's a decent portion. But SoFi wants to grow this revenue to 33% of the overall business. And then hopefully in the future, we can continue to see that grow even faster, to potentially 50%. We want to continue to, get out of lending. But right now, lending is where we're going to be maximizing profits. But guys, we got a lot of great information for you today. I just want to do a little recap before we get into the video so people are aware of what I'm talking about. If you find any of this information useful, smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, I know the market is running hot in some sectors. We know what those sectors are, guys. It's the semiconductors and anything AI, related. And also, some of the crypto Bitcoin miners, okay? Those are the three sectors that are extremely hot. I'm telling you right now, Fintech is in the dump, okay? And the best thing about SoFi is their actual earnings and the company just continues to get stronger and stronger. We had 36% growth for 2023. That is absolutely insane in this higher interest rate environment, guys. High inflation, okay? If SoFi, gets, rate cuts in the back end of the year, so many more of their business models are going to continue to thrive with refinancing, their student loan business, mortgages. People are going to want to invest more, a lot of different things. But understand, this is what's really holding SoFi back. Every other week on the TV, you're getting a bank failure, a bank collapse. Look at this, guys. Silicon Valley Bank, assets 209 billion, gone. Signature Bank, assets 110 billion, gone. First Republic Bank, assets 232 billion, gone. Heartland Tri-State Bank, this is a small one, 139 million, gone. Citizens Bank, assets 222 billion, gone. Total assets 912 billion dollars just between these 5 banks. And guys, don't think more banks won't collapse in 2024. I'm telling you right now, these banks are just outdated, business models, okay? None of them are adapting, and that's why they are, perishing into the wind. SoFi is the new generation of banking. They don't need bank branches. Everybody knows that. They can offer 4.6 APY back to the customer, growing your income on autopilot. Everyone watching this video, if you are with a legacy bank, you need to switch immediately. Go to your employer, tell them to sign you up with the SoFi Bank. Be sure to click the link in my comment section, guys. Sign up for the SoFi Bank. You're going to get 4.6 APY if you sign up for direct deposit. That is absolutely insane amount of money you're going to be getting yearly. All right, guys, take a look. We got Kathy Woods, ARK Invest, coming in again. Another red day for SoFi early on in the morning, so maybe that's when she was buying. Guys, 544,000 shares in ARKK. If we scroll down a little bit further, you can see she was also buying in ARKF, about 76,000 shares. So some solid buys coming in today. And you can see she was also selling Coinbase. Guys, Coinbase is up 500%. I mean, she was selling this in every single one of her different portfolios, all 3 portfolios, just dumping Coinbase left and right and swapping it out for SoFi, okay? So some stocks have been running hot in the crypto sector, the semiconductor sector, and anything AI related, okay? that doesn't mean fintech will not come back. I love what's happening right now. SoFi continues to grow the company, make the company stronger and stronger. We know this convertible note that Anthony Noto did is going to, really pay off huge in the next, couple of quarters. It's going to give them more lending capacity to scale more profits. They're going to be saving $40 million on interest payments and just potentially get 100 million shares, gobbled up off the streets. And then we're going to see these long-term investors hold this, and that's going to be a lower float and this lower manipulation for the, short sellers to manipulate this stock. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. Right now, the stock is 158 million shares sold short. That is absolutely insane. We're talking 17%. I'm waiting on the updated short interest, but guys, I'm telling you, I don't think these guys are ever going to give up. We really have to squeeze them out because they just don't care what type of, number SoFi puts up. Now, guys, at the beginning of the video, we were talking about the acquisitions that SoFi made of GALILEO and Technisys. Guys, this is their tech platform. You can see Technisys, the next banking experience. This is what we're trying to, sell to other banking institutions, other fintechs. And there's tons of fintechs right now that are on our platform right now. Let me show you. So guys, take a look. Expanding the financial frontier with entrepreneurs, innovators, leaders. Scroll down a little bit further. The world's most innovative companies are using Galileo, Dave, Moneyline, Monzo, SoFi, North One, Daily Pay, H&R Block, Bluevine, Toast, Lily. I mean, the list goes on. I'm going to show you exactly what type of numbers, Galileo and Technisys are doing right now. So remember, guys, we purchased these two companies at $2.3 billion. And right now in this video, I just want you guys to see, is this undervalued, overvalued, fair value right now? What do you think? I believe it was really overvalued, back in the day when these companies merged together. And I think Technisys back in the day was doing about 20 million revenue quarterly. And then now both companies together are doing near 97 million, I believe, or something like that. But guys, take a look. We can see the purchase price is 2.3 billion market cap, total spend we had. 2023 revenue, $352 million. Remember, guys, overall revenue is about 17% of the overall company. Profit, contribution profit, 94 million. 2023 revenue growth. This is where I give SoFi right now a C to D plus. 13% revenue growth. We want to see this number get into the 20, 30, 40% range. Price to sales multiple 6.5x and a PE ratio, price to earnings of the 94 million at 24x. So what do you think about this valuation right now? Remember, for PE ratios, you got legacy banks right around 10 to 15, and this is trading at 24x with 13% growth. So I think, the valuation should be right around maybe 2-3 billion. So I think it's about fair value right now. If this number explodes to, let's say, 2024, 30 to 40% growth, guys, I think this could be worth like $6 to $8 billion. Okay, so right now I'm going to personally say it's about fair value with the 352 million revenue. This is the magic number to watch, guys, the revenue growth. Price to sales actually looks pretty decent as well. Remember, guys, SoFi right now the entire company is trading at like 3 times sales on the current market cap. That's when you put everything together: lending, financial services, Galileo tech platform. But guys, I'm just showing you right now, SoFi purchased these to just land these big legacy banks. We're in talks with the top 5 right now. If we get one of those top 5s onto the platform, this number right here is going to go to 30, 40%, in literally 1 to 2 years, guys. And this is going to be a super hybrid multiple company, SoFi. We might be trading, ridiculous valuations in the next couple of years. And guys, we're always talking about AI. You don't really see Anthony Noto talking about a lot of AI, but guys, he says multiple times in some interviews that they're using a lot of AI. They got digital science working on AI and tech and stuff like that. Guys, take a look right now. OpenAI seeks new valuation of up to $90 billion. These are the types of valuations that these companies are getting in the private market. But I want you guys to see Galileo's AI-driven intelligent digital assistant Cyberbank Connector enhances SoFi member experience. SoFi has integrated Cyberbank Connector into its existing tech stack. Galileo and Technisys, connectors right there in the middle, increasing member satisfaction, improving inquiry response time by 65%, guys. Absolutely amazing, okay? We need to get more detailed on this, but guys, this looks like it is saving companies money. Imagine if you implement this into a Citibank or a Wells Fargo. I mean, they're going to be, having so many transactions, and Galileo's going to be printing so much money. But guys, SoFi has some AI inside of the company. When you talk about that 17% of the overall business, which is, Galileo and Technisys, So you can see, look at the type of valuations these companies are getting in the private market. It's hard for SoFi to get a crazy valuation right now when you have five banks collapsing worth $900 billion, almost $1 trillion evaporated, in assets. Okay. Well, of course, those assets got purchased by, like a JP Morgan, getting pennies on the dollars. But I'm just saying, when you have a small fintech like SoFi, it's hard to battle these shorts in this type of environment. We need rate cuts. We need rate cuts fast for sure to just help the overall market you not be so tense on valuations right now. But anyways, I think SoFi is going to continue to execute, and we're going to see profitability skyrocket, potentially to a new bank of what we saw hit 2023, $1 billion net income. I expect SoFi to hit 800 million net income in 2026. Wait a couple years, that's a $50 billion company. If SoFi is a $50 billion company in 2.5 years, I'm very happy. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.